We are out here in Atlantic Beach. Just a few hours of working in the rain today. Cutting out this thin grass and putting in some mondo grass. It's gonna grow much better in the shade. In the backyard, we're adding some screening on the side and on the back, using some big Japanese blueberries, some bamboo, adding to the existing theme of things. Doing landscape rework, doing a little cleaning up, doing some additions, remulching, but not like a major landscape tear out. Yeah, we're just trying to compensate for all the shade out here, basically. He has a nice full landscape. We already do the maintenance out here. We just want to refresh things and get some of the things out that aren't growing very well, so we can have a nice full lush landscape come this spring. You'll see the lighting go in on the last day. We're gonna run some wire, get ready for lighting, but won't be until the third day. So we're finishing up out here, doing my bed edging and grading, smoothing before we put the mulch down, making sure everything's pretty solid, you know, no dips and holes. Yeah, you'll see we're making edges along the turf area, along the pavers to retain the mulch in there. You know, it tends to move if we don't do something like that. We got all the lights in yesterday, actually. Got all the wires buried. We shouldn't run across them with the rake or anything. All the wires are also buried along the backside of all our plants, so that hopefully, at least it's predictable, it's along the backside, but also hopefully it won't get dug into at some point. Sort of minimal crossing of dangerous spots there. Yeah, this is just wrap-up day. We're doing a little cleanup, we're doing mulch, just the last little touches here, and we'll be out before the morning's over.